Welcome to Cgeneer Power, your trusted source of power products. Today, we are introducing you the 1500 watt pure sine wave inverter charger. This inverter charger is an integrated power system including a transformer-based power inverter, an intelligent multi-stage battery charger, and a transfer switch. This inverter charger is ETL safety listed to stringent UL 458 standard. It is a very rugged inverter capable of outputting 300% surge power for 20 seconds. Great for handling the startup surge from inductive loads. It is built with very high efficient component with low quiescent current. The built-in multi-stage smart battery charger comes with a current control switch for regulating the charging amperage from 0 to full output. The automatic transfer switch allows seamless switch between AC and DC with a max transfer time of 10 milliseconds, short enough to hold up power for most loads. When in AC mode, the inverter can recharge the batteries while maintaining constant power to the loads. This inverter works at 120 volt power systems. There are some exclusive features only available from Cgeneer Power, such as DIP switches, auto generator start, and battery temperature sensing. The DIP switches are near the DC terminals of the inverter. They control inverter specifications, including low battery voltage shutdown, AC input voltage range, power saver mode, output frequency switch of 50 or 60 Hz, and battery priority mode. The battery priority mode prioritizes the DC over AC, which means the inverter will only switch to utility power when the battery power goes low. The auto generator start allows standby generator to be started by the inverter and kick in when the battery voltage drops low enough to alarm. Both are great features for renewable energy power systems. An optional battery temperature sensor can be connected to monitor battery bank temperature and precisely adjust charging voltage to prolong battery life. On the top cover of the inverter, there are 3 positions: on and off power switch, battery type selector dial, and LED indicators. The battery type selector allows you to set charging voltages according to the battery type, such as lead acid AGM, GEL, and wet battery. LCD remote panel allows you to monitor in real time the operation of the inverters, such as battery voltage, AC input voltage, AC output voltage, output frequency, load percentage, battery capacity, charger activity, and any alarms and faulty conditions. There are 2 DC terminals, one red, one black. With the AC Direct Connect terminal block, you can hardwire your AC input and output. This inverter charger features an AC wiring compartment with 2 string relief connectors to access the AC input and output terminal block. This is where you hardwire your AC input and output. On the left side of the AC wiring compartment, there is a resettable GFCI outlet for plugging in 120 volt AC devices to the inverter. The 12V DC remote on-off switch function is available on this inverter. This makes the inverter also manageable from a 12-volt DC source. This inverter is set with automatic neutral to ground connection in factory, but this connection can be defeated by separating the insulated connectors on the green wire near AC terminal block, so it will not bond the neutral in any mode of operation. The ground terminal is used to tie the exposed chassis of the inverter to the DC grounding system with a conductivity of 40 amps, eliminating hazardous high voltage in the event of a leakage. The temperature-controlled cooling DC fan is speed control based on internal chamber temperature, battery charging current, and inverter output wattage. It reduces fan noise and energy consumption. When adverse operational conditions are detected, the inverter will initiate a shutdown and power itself off in a healthy manner before any damage can be done. You can also purchase a flush-mountable LCD remote panel for this inverter, part number RLCD. The LCD remote panel can be built with an optional RS-232 communication port for connecting to an SNMP card to monitor the inverter operation on the internet. SNMP card part number SNMP. You can also purchase a battery temperature sensor for this inverter, part number BTS. It's forward thinking, it's advanced engineering, and these quality products are now available from Cgeneer Power. Email us at info@cgeneer.com if you have any questions.